Welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today we're diving into a handy guide on how to find favorites on YouTube, step by step. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your YouTube app on your Android phone. Just tap on the YouTube icon to launch the app. If you're already signed in, you'll be ready to go. Step 2. Now that the app is open, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a profile picture icon. Tap on that. This will take you to your account settings and personalized options. Step 3. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Playlists. Here, you'll find a button that says View All. Go ahead and tap that button to see a full list of your playlists, including your favorites. Finally, in this section, you can easily find your favorites. Browse through the playlists and you'll spot the ones you've marked as favorites. It's that simple. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.